Hi, I'm Jia. Today I'm going to make Gyeran-jjim, Korean steamed egg. It's very delicious and easy to make. I'll introduce the ingredients to make Gyeran-jjim today. First, I'm going to make a broth. Here on the plate, I have white radish, leek, 1 shiitake mushroom, garlic, and dried kelp. And for the egg, I have 2 eggs here, a few drops of fish sauce. I'm going to use a little bit of baking powder and the spring onion. And for today, I'm going to use tukbaegi, which is often used in Korean food. If you don't have this, you can use a thick pot, whatever you have at home, but the portion of today is just for one person. So if you have a small pot, it would be great. First, I'm going to make a stock for my Gyeran-jjim. Grab the pan, water, 1 cup and a half, and from cold water I'm going to add all of this: leek, shiitake mushroom, 1 clove of garlic, radish, and the kelp. It's going to take about 5 to 7 minutes. Should be okay. I have stock, eggs, and everything here. Now I'm going to start making Gyeran-jjim. Two eggs. I'm going to add 1 small pinch of salt. Break the eggs. Now I'm going to add a little bit of baking powder to my stock. Just about 2 pinches. And then add about 6 tablespoons of broth. Okay, once again. And I'm going to season my egg with a little bit of fish sauce. Today I'm using anchovy fish sauce. You can use any fish sauce that you like or you have at home. Or you can also use salt. I'm going to chop spring onion for garnish. You can use only 1 stalk of spring onion. I'm going to use about 1 teaspoon, so should be enough. Save this for garnish for later. So it's all prepared now. I'm going to pour my egg to tukbaegi. Now I'm going to heat up the Gyeran-jjim. So I'm going to start stirring. It's going to take 1 to 2 minutes because the pot is quite thick. Actually, making Gyeran-jjim is not so hard, but you have to find the perfect time to reduce the heat, to cover the lid, and to stop cooking. It is quite difficult, quite tricky to just explain in a word, or just reading a recipe. Most people cannot get an idea what this dish is. So if you see this video, you can easily make at home. And then I'm going to keep stirring until there's almost no more liquid. It's really easy to make, but you need a little patience. If you look at my egg, now it's almost time to minimize the heat. I'm going to lower the heat to a minimum. Put all the garnish, put the lids on in a very low heat, 2 minutes. Turning off the heat. Just keep the lids on for another 1 minute. See? Smells great. Oh, it's very soft. It's a little bit salty, and it's egg, but it's not too heavy because we have broth in here. Super delicious. Today I made Korean steamed egg. In Korea, we say Gyeran-jjim. I like to enjoy my Gyeran-jjim with a little bit of rice and of course kimchi at the side. It's really delicious and easy to make. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my recipe.